Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to connect board on monday.com. So you can see this is the main interface. Just what we need to do, click on this button, add column. Just you can see all the options are available here: data, numbers, priorities, status, timeline, but we will click on more columns. Just click here. Now you can see this main interface is open. All the options are available here. So now we will search for connect board. You can see this is here. Now we will click on connect boards. Now simply click on select. Now check these option if you want, like I'm clicking on this work option. Now easily click on again select board. Now click on CRM. Now click on connect boards. Now I will do it later. You can also click here. Now under the CRM you click on this option. Now marketing team, like I am adding this. You can also customize these all options. You can also click on column information to know the right information. Now you can see this board is being opened. Now you can see this interface is ready. Now you can also edit all these options according to your choice. So again we will add on column, click on more columns, click on connect boards. Now click on select boards, click on work, click on connect, click on. Now you can also connect more boards in sequence. Now simply click on this. You can see we have opened another board. So this is finally you can check how to easily connect boards on monday.com.